The Google Nexus 7 was designed and engineered by Google from the ground up and built by Asus, the computer company. They've done a wonderful job together. The screen is amazing. It feels great to the hand, touches well, and is brilliant and looks beautiful. It's a really great tablet here. The size and functionality is terrific, and it runs Google's Android Jelly Bean 4.1 operating system, their most complete operating system to date, and the one that finally is here to rival iOS, because this one actually is a complete operating system and is nice to use. It's got a super fast processor, and this thing is snappy. In addition to that, you can pick from different memory choices. It's very, very lightweight. It travels well. It's got a front-facing camera. The only thing I feel that it's missing is the rear-facing camera. You can't take photos with it from the rear. You can from the front, but it's a little awkward. And you can do some great video chats with it. And that's why the front-facing camera is so important. Now, I think it's a great size. It's perfect for reading. It's lightweight, so it's not heavy when you're trying to read. It's great for books and magazines, and it's got a very, very rich, robust screen. So I like that. Where it falls a little short is if you have to edit documents on it. The screen becomes a little bit cramped. But other than that, I think that this is a terrific tablet, and I highly recommend the Nexus 7. You know what? It's the perfect size to lay in bed, watch a movie, or read a book with. It's not too heavy, and it's really great. And it's phenomenal for reading magazines, books, and even playing games. In fact, there's not much this tablet doesn't do. And it also helps you stay connected. I really like it for being able to relax and also being able to stay connected, and it's perfect for the road. The Google Nexus, a great tablet at a really great price. Check it out.